Uthman's an idiot. I got you, right? I'm with you. I'm with you. Moses is gonna clear it up for me.
Sure, go for it.
My boy. Want to take your phone and do some math, or you're good? You got your mental math?
Oh, I got it.
You're good, Moses. So if he was 32, his father, and he ruled for 8 years, how old was he when he died? Yeah, you guys are cheaters. Let him do it, bro. How old was he? 44. Your math sucks.
From what I am seeing right now, there seems to be an error. I can't completely tell you that there is an error. Why?
Takbir! It's a person named Samiri. This was great. I love you, man. Christian apologist. Wallahi, I did not pay him for this.